Sa bawat hataw ng sagwan, dapat maramdaman ang puwersa at tibay ng bawat kasapi sa sport na Dragon Boat. Sino ang mag-aakala na ang grupong ito ng mga atleta ay bahagi rin ng Persons with Disability o PWD community? Sa kabila ng hamon ng tubig, isa si Kent sa mga hindi nagpatinag, parang walang disabilidad sa karera na diwa ng kanyang determinasyon.
Last 2019, I was diagnosed with bone cancer. Start noon is na-injury ako dahil sa basketball. Akala ko normal injury lang. Sumasakit na siya gabi-gabi. Hindi na ako makatulog dahil sa sobrang sakit. So ayun, napag-desisyonan ng pamilya na ipaputol. Malaki na yung gastos namin sa hospitalization ko. Hindi ako nakapag-undergo ng rehab. Lagi akong natutumba. Kaya naiiyak na lang ako pag isang PWD kasi down ang tingin nila sa'yo. Parang nawalan po ako ng pag-asa sa sarili. Naiiyak rin akong lumabas. Nag-pray ako kay God na, Lord, help me to recover para ma-regain ko yung confidence sa aking sarili. Ayun, God give me a sign. Nakita ko yung PADS Dragon Boat Racing Team sa social media. Tapos nakita ko yung mga kapwa ko PWDs. Na-amaze po ako kasi yung mga paddlers nila is composed of iba-ibang mga disabilities. Kaya nung nakilala ko si Sir GP, ni-refer niya ako na magpa-therapy. Tapos libre lang. So yun, sobrang tuwa naman ako kasi hindi na pin-afford yung rehab. Doon natuto akong gumamit ng crutches. Tapos sinulungan nilang i-develop yung mga muscles ko para maging independent po ako na PWD.
Ken is one of the chosen few na who were able to access support systems such as PADS. And we can only imagine the 1,000 other stories of young and even adult with disabilities who are still struggling. That's why we work on volunteerism as our instrument, create a huge impact in the lives of our members in PADS. We use adaptive sports and rehab as a stepping stone.
Of course, it is challenging. You know, there are a lot of PWDs from the community that may not be able to afford services like in big hospitals. Probably in 99, 2000, I was privileged to be invited to open this Mandaue City Rehab Center, which would cater to the PWDs of the different barangays of Mandaue City. But unfortunately, with the pandemic, it had to close down and it hasn't been opened again. So my concern was, how about the patients that we were serving?
Ang Bingo Plus Foundation, patuloy ang advokasya sa pagtulong sa PWD community. Katuwang ang PADS, nangunguna ang mga pangangailangan ng mga PWD sa Plus Center na ito. Mayroong treatment rooms para sa physical therapy, pati na rin ang mga recreational sports at fitness rooms.
I'm happy that they're coming up with this recreation and rehabilitation center in Pahara. It's supposed to cater again the PWDs, not only in Mandaue City but open to any PWD.
It takes the entire community to build an athlete. We wanted to create a better world wherein we achieve this vision of a disability-inclusive society. But I'm just alone. I cannot do it on my own. Without the support of Bingo Plus Foundation, I think we won't have a rehab center. So they have really completed that missing piece in this advocacy.
Si Kent, ikaw, at sila. Katuwang nyo kami, ang Bingo Plus Foundation, para maging posible ang imposible. Mabigyan ng lugar ang mga walang oportunidad magpagaling at makabangon.